the good times turn into memories, and the revelry goes on. Let's have a good time, night of the century. Our best days can't be done. All the good times turn into memories, and the revelry goes on. Let's have a good time, night of the century. Our best days can't be done. Best days can't be done.
Christ, look at us. Tweedledum and dumber. Morning, it is Monday, and we're off to Volcano Bay. Oh, hold that lift. Hold that.
Are you going up?
No.
Yeah,
Oh,
you're going up.
well, he didn't hold the lift, did he? So yeah, we're going to go and have a little splash around. We are also going to meet Paula and Dave for lunch today, aren't we?
Yeah,
Sorry,
yeah.
we're on the iPhone, so it's not as stable as the
Yeah, the pudding.
other one. Yeah, don't at us. We're on the iPhone today. So yeah, we're going to go and grab a bit of lunch with Paula. We don't know where we're going yet. We've asked the Oracle of Orlando to see if he can give us some advice. That's Mr. Bazza if you're
Mr. Bazza.
interested. So come with us. It's about 8:30. So Tom is ready way ahead of time, which is a miracle. And the kids are back at school today for Florida, so hopefully it'll be quieter. We feel like traitors walking through Disney property wearing these, so we're going to cover up. Monday.
Stop your singing.
It's a bit cooler this morning. I mean, it's already gone up 3 degrees. Oh, the 3 degrees. Rattling, Clyde.
You have arrived.
Always. Was it $32?
$32.
$32 for parking at Volcano Bay. And it is dead. Or are we still going? Do we have to keep going? Yeah, keep going. There's only a few people here. Maybe they heard this was the day we were going to come. Welcome to Volcano Bay. Where should we sit, Mr. P? Because we're going to need lockers, aren't we? Are we? You're going to be brave. It's actually quite busy already. Yeah, probably. Yeah, we can. We just landed at Volcano Bay. Ooh, what a tall peak for the first thing of the morning. What time is it, Thomas? About 9:30ish, something like that. Yeah, 9:30. So it's taken us about 20 minutes to get into this part. It's quite busy already. There's been a few umbrella hoggers. It's only opened at 9 o'clock as well. So yeah, we're going to have a little play around here, have a little splish splash in the water. There'll be no Pamela Manderson this trip because she's on vacation. So yeah, we'll show you what's going on and have a little bit of a fun time here. He's going in, kids. He's going in. Oh my God, it's fresh. It's fresh. Oh, jeez, it is fresh. Oh, duck. Everything's shriveling up. cold, it's
a bit
cold.
fresh.
It is very fresh. Very fresh. Come on, let's brave it. Let's brave it. You're from up north. You've experienced colder water than this. I won't tell you what he's just done. Quick, let's get him, let's get him. Ah! Is this waves, Tom?
I think it's the waves.
Dum, 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 dum. Oh, they're coming, they're coming. The waves are coming. Oh, yeah. That sign up there has changed, I think, when the waves come. Oh, there it is. Never seen that before. I hope you can hear me. I've got the cover on. Thomas! Oh, I've just kneed him in the back. I promise it was me knee. Pardon? Definitely me knee. Ah. Dum 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 dum. Oh, it's like Aquaman, isn't it? We're going to go and find the lazy river, aren't we, Doc?
Yeah, whatever it is.
Yeah. Oh, we could have come and sat round here, actually. No. There's cabanas and all sorts of stuff. Last year, did we book premium seating? Last year, if you have a look at one of the...
Here or was it Typhoon Lagoon?
No, it was here, because it was $120-something, wasn't it?
I remember.
It worked out. So, yeah, you can find different places. There is towel rental here, but Tom says it's what, $8?
I can't remember.
$7 or $8,
You've
I
not given me a
think.
chance to go back and look.
Who, I haven't?
Yeah, before.
You should know this. You should know all of this. So yeah, you can rent, but we bought our own, and there are lockers and stuff as well that you can rent. But we're trying to find our way into the lazy river. Everybody has to wear one of these in the lazy river. I feel like Madonna in the Vogue video. I mean, and then there's this one here. Leave a comment. You decide. Oh my God, this is so warm. This is warm. Woo. And then there's these big points here that whoosh. What? What? Oh! Oh, well, I won't tell you where that got me then. He's coming, he's coming. Give us a wave. Ah!
Have we been on the road with that?
Yes, yeah, we have. Oh, there's another big gusher, I think, round here, isn't there?
is there?
I think so. I nearly took my shorts off. I mean, imagine that before lunch. Oh, didn't we escape that one then, Thomas? Oh! Oh, this is much calmer. Tidal wave. I've got the thing on, so you might not be able to see much, apart from up my nose. Good fun, that, wasn't it, Duck? Good fun. But your glasses do get dreadfully dribbly.
It is now time to experience.
We're going on Hui, but this is a raft ride, which is up to 5 people, so we might not be able to film in case there's a family on board. We're going to go on this big green slide, but it's one of those where you like have to sit in like 2 to 5 people, so we're probably going to need both hands to hold on, aren't we, Tom?
Yeah.
So we won't film anything on this, and as I say, there might be a family with us, so we'll see you at the bottom. I'm just waiting for somebody to come down. Oh, there you go. Oh, shug. We're going on the double raft. So again, I can't film anything on this because we have to hold on. Oh, I'm getting a bit, what's it now? I need to wipe it. Getting out of those tube rafts is like stumbling in from a very, very heavy night out. It's so ungraceful. We're going to go on the lazy river with the tubes now. Just have a little chill out for 5 minutes. I mean, we put the Tapu Tapu in for the Krakatoa coaster, but we'll see if that happens. Do we need a life jacket for this, Tom? No.
Sticking out.
There's a laugh. There's a laugh. Tom, where have you gone? Whack-a-mole. Whack-a-Thomas. We're just in the little pool just by the volcano, and if you press this, apparently it says something underwater.
I didn't hear anything.
No, that's nothing new, is it? Anybody know what this says? Leave a little comment for us. I mean, I could hear the vibration, but that was about it. Oh!
Here it comes.
Give everyone a wave on the water. What's going to happen with the volcano? Oh. I a duck. We've had a little lazy hour and a bit, haven't we? We've had a little snack.
We've been here 3 hours.
Yeah, we've been here for a while. We're going to go and get washed up now and just...
Some people would say we're already washed.
Well, we are washed up in every sense. So, yeah, and then we're going to go and meet Paula and Dave and just have a chilled out late lunch somewhere. We'll find out where when we get there. We've just done a fuel top up, haven't we?
We have, yeah.
It's cost $41, is it?
For a full tank.
To fill this car up, and that's after 2 weeks, over 2 weeks of driving it around.
£32.
Yeah, which is bonkers. And that's this big gas guzzling Mustang as well. I think my car at home alone would cost more than double that. And we are going to be picking Paula and Dave up in a minute. It is 1:45, so we're going to pick them up at 2 o'clock. And we thought we'd go to somewhere else that we've never been, that I think a few of you mentioned. And we think we're going to go to Cheddars Scratch Kitchen, which is another one on the radar. When we stayed at the Doubletree last, we saw it, didn't we? Because it had
Yeah.
recently opened over the road,
Yeah.
and we never went. So we thought we'd have a little look at that. There's again the usual. There's chicken.
Is that the one that used to be Delmonico's?
Oh, Delmonico. Yes, it
Or is
might.
Delmonico's still there?
Can't remember.
We'll see when we go.
We did do Delmonico's, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, yeah.
Oh, that's off. What's it, isn't it? Hello, darling. We'll see the shows at Delmonico. Sorry. I was going off on one then. My theatre studies was just. So yeah, we'll see you. Who'd have thunk it? Me on the stage. So we'll see you. Hopefully, I mean, I'm hoping Paula and Dave are going to want to go to Scratch Kitchen. So
I said they were easy.
yeah. Well, I mean, we'll have something in common with you then. See you in a bit. We are in the VIP section at Cheddars Scratch Kitchen, but these two stowaways have turned up. Give us a wave. Hello. We're trying to convince Dave to hire a Mustang when he comes next. So we're in Cheddars Scratch Kitchen. Oh, there, Tom is here, just in case you want.
And these are the two that brought the kangaroos danglers.
Just because we didn't have enough chocolate and crap while we were here, Paul has filled our case with more stuff. And we're going to need another suitcase to get home. So we'll show you the menu, we'll show you what we have, we'll give you the verdict at the end. And yes, we're excited to try something a bit different. We've got some honey butter croissants, just to let you know that we've got those to start with. No, it's all right, carry on.
You're going to do that afterwards, we're ordering.
You can order for me, can't you? We've got these as a little starter. So these are like honey butter croissants. She just brought these to the table. So I'm hoping we aren't paying for these. Oh right, they're all included. So oh, Blue Moon, stop that talk, David, it's a family show. So yes, cheers everybody. Cheers. And thanks again for catching up with us, and that bag of bloody terrible chocolate you bought that we're going to end up being the size of a house with. Oh yeah, with the mash. Thank you. Thanks. Enjoy, guys. Thank you. Oh my god. Tom that big. So yeah. Nice. That is meat gravy, I think so. There we go. Let's see what this is like. That's a hell of a lot of corn. Right, we've had a lovely lunch at Scratch Kitchen. It was very nice. Tom treated us to lunch, didn't you? Which is a rarity. So for a reward, we've come to the Mecca of Under Armour. And this is the clearance house. It's not a shop, it's a house. So we're going into some kind of fortress that hopefully is not going to find anything in. So watch this space. We'll tell you where this is as well. I'll leave a little comment on the screen because Paula has brought us here. He's wandering round and rooting like those first footers at a car boot sale. he was desperate getting your boot. Well, it's happened. What? I've succumbed to it. I'm so glad you're buying another suitcase to come home with. Thank you, Paul. See, she's a gentleman. Manners. Can we just get to Adidas now, please? Right, we're just having a last few hours at Universal. Tom's gone and been and bought a bit more Under Armour. I've just gone nuclear with the car parking because there's all this space here and they've made us park all the way down the bottom there. So when it comes to getting out, we've got to come all this way. So, but anyway, after what we've eaten at Scratch Kitchen, we might need the walk. So yeah, we're going to go and do the last few bits. We've got a couple of tag-alongs. So we're just going to spend a bit more time with Paula and Dave and then see what other rides we haven't been on since we've been here. It's not too busy, so we haven't checked the wait times yet, but hopefully it will be manageable. It hasn't rained yet today, and it's actually not as warm as it has been. It's not the muggy that we've had before. We've just arrived and we're missing the parade. Huh. Can we go that way? There you go, there. we're going to do ET because it's one of our favourites. And they've changed the sign. When we came down here the other day to look at DreamWorks, we said that sign looked new, and apparently it is. So. Oh, we're starting with a favourite. He just wants to go home. Tom, there's men in the bushes. Got told off for filming in the queue of ET. How rude. We're going to go and do the Mummy because it's only a 15-minute wait, so that's good. And there's a few rides that are doing 15 minutes, so we're going to try and do a few in this park and then see if we can maybe get a last-minute thing over at the others. So yeah, it's all going all right. Oh, well, one of us has just come off Rip Ride Rocket.
Guess who it was?
I wonder if you can guess who it was. And we just want to say a quick shout out to Sam, Dave, Lila and Alfie of DR Vids.
That was well remembered.
It was well remembered. One take as well. So yeah, we just want to say hi. Thanks for stopping and saying hello. Enjoy the wrestling and good luck with your channel. And hopefully you're going to have an amazing time.
Yeah, hopefully.
on Friday. Right, Thomas, would you like to tell us what we're doing walking down this very peculiar...
Paula can tell you.
Paula
is pointing it out.
This is a new feature.
Go on.
Paula points it out. Oh, she's pointing. But what's she pointing
So
to?
we're heading down here to a segment of the Berlin Wall that Paula told us about, and apparently it sits down the side of the Hard Rock Cafe in City Walk, and it's a real original bit of the wall.
Piece of the wall.
There it is.
Oh, God, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. Right, Paula. Point it out. Wow. Oh, my God. So there you go. We promise you something new on every trip. And Paula has pointed it out. She's hiding from shot now because I cut her off the last one.
I used to get.
Are you having a nice time?
With the camera out again.
Are you having a nice
On me
time?
this time?
Yeah, I am.
Oh.
Well,
You having
I
a
wanted
nice
to
time?
show you best side, but you haven't turned around. We're just having a little last few hours in Islands of Adventure, aren't we?
Yeah.
Mum and Dad are just treating us to an ice cream. But yeah, it's been great, and the weather's held off today. Wait times are really low. Spider-Man's 20 minutes. So yeah, just saying one last goodbye to Universal for this trip. So we've never ever in our lives been on the Cat in the Hat ride. Paula pointed it out again. This is brand new. Paula's just pointed it out.
Not brand new to the park.
Well, yeah, but it's brand new to us. We've never been on it.
We sat there with Sally, we sat there with two, and I said how I wish we had something to do.
And we saw him sit in on the cat. We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
It's the Cat in the Hat.
Cat goes, look at me, look at me, I'm the cat, with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
We saw them thing one and thing two.
Ah!
Your mother is clear those as you can. Think of something to do. You will have to get rid of the
How have we never been on this?
Then our mother came in and said to us to.
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
Should we tell her about it? Now what should we do?
Well, we've only been coming here for the last 11 years.
11 years.
And we've only just realised that that's a ride. And it's all because Paula pointed it out. I mean, I'm not quite sure what we've just seen, but yeah, never ever done that before. So our last ride at Universal, and we're on the bloody Dr. Seuss train, and it's all her fault. So yeah, this is our last ride of the night. We're going to show you some little panoramic views of the park, and then we'll sign this off. Right, everybody, we're going to sign this off now, and we're going to say thank you to Paula and Dave. Where are you? Tom, you need to come and shop for a lovely day. We've had a great afternoon, a bit of lunch, a bit of theme parking. He keeps disappearing. We'll see you both again very soon at some point. But yeah, thank you for the ice cream and drinks as well.
Thank you.
So with that, we are going to say good night, and we'll see you tomorrow for our final day until October. But if you've enjoyed it, give
Final
it
full day.
Yeah, final
We've still
full.
got
Oh, yeah,
Wednesday
final
to
full
go.
day. Final full. But if you've enjoyed it, give it a
Thumbs up.
And what else have you got to do, Paula?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. What we said, and of course, leave us a comment and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you tomorrow.
All the good times turn into memories, and the revelry goes on.